hierarchy entity object, and right click, then create new relationship based object. Okay, so we are going to create new, we are not going to convert, we are going to create new relationship. Why? Because this time we don't have any base object table for relationship, so we are going to directly create it from here. How we can create? Hierarchy entity object, let's come here, hierarchy, then entity object, then right click, and then create new entity or relationship object. We are going to select this, and here we have to click this because we are going to create relationship, and now this window will come. Okay, so let's give some meaningful name, like let's give a name like the relationship type. Okay, physical name will automatically, it will take like that, this will be by default, and here we will get two. So since this is relationship, so this will connect to a kind of entity, right? So what will be the two entity here? Let's take first entity as a customer, and second entity let's take as a address. Okay, so here we can see entity based subject. So this is customer, and this will by default take the row ID object of customer. Okay, and this is address. So by default it will take a row ID object of the address, this table, and then here we will see we should have some what we say, relationship and hierarchy as well. So hierarchy foreign key column. Okay, this should be hierarchy code. And what would be the foreign key column for relationship? So this should be relationship type code. How I have already maintained this step here. So give the name entity base object 1, just for the B customer column row ID object will be added, and for base object 2 select address, row ID B address will be added. For hierarchy foreign key column select hierarchy code. Here we have for hierarchy foreign key column we have selected hierarchy code, and for relationship type foreign key column select this relationship type code. So actually why we are selecting this column? Because the tables which we have created here, so these columns are available here, and this column will become the kind of common here. Okay, so just these are the kind of foreign key. These all four are the foreign key which will connect this all table with the help of this MDM created table. So we are adding these all the foreign key. So here we have the relationship type code, that is fine. And here we have a hierarchy code. Here we have a B address, provide your address, and here you have a customer. And here we have already given the names, some name of the relationship. Okay, so everything is looking fine. Now we can press OK. So we will see that some relationship object will be created. Okay, so relationship object will stay in this relationship object. From here also we can do the same thing. What we did, right click now, from here we can also get the same option. Okay, so you can do right click here, or you can do right click here. Okay, so this one for easy understanding, now we should do right click on the relationship object. Let me change here. Let's mention relationship. Let's come here, hierarchy relationship object, right click, then we will get this option. This option we can get on previous step also, but for easy understanding we will we are trying to create relationship object. So we'll come here, we'll right click, and then we will do that. So if we come to base object, then we will see this table got created, and this table will have these columns, whatever columns we have selected, hierarchy code, relationship type code, row ID object of customer, row ID object of address. Now, so this all column, this row ID object will be row ID object of this relationship type table. Okay, so this all column got added,